My name's Jerry and I'm part of the Joseph family, which owns and operates the Derwen Garden Centre here, as well as the Dingle Nurseries up the road in Frockus.
My name's Meg and I work as an outside team member at the Derwen Garden Centre.
It's been great having Tyfu Cymru as an available resource. They've allowed us to upskill our staff members, providing training with forklift and other machinery, as well as digital marketing, first aid training, and conducting a sustainability audit along with Eco Studio and Ian Cox that have given us a clear direction to move in when it comes to addressing the footprint of the business.
So for our sustainability agenda, we've already eradicated the sale of peat-containing compost, and our next step is working towards trying to stock as many plants grown entirely peat-free. We've also been addressing our energy usage, switched to a green energy provider and installed a photovoltaic system, and we're also trying to work to reduce our waste output as far as possible.
When we found out we were nominated, it was thrilling because it's good to see that our work kind of training our staff and investing in them alongside Tyfu Cymru has been recognised, and hopefully it will inspire other businesses to use the resources available to them.